On our previous video, we did a question. We placed a question and we asked viewers to solve. Look through and see if you can have a solution to that question. But before that, kindly subscribe and like. Leave a comment below in case you have any question on today's topic. In order for you to solve a circle theorem question successfully, you have to be able to know all the rules involved. We follow this series as we go through all the rules in solving circle theorem question. So moving on to, we will say rule 1. Moving on to rule 1. Now, if a circle given has a point A and B, which will form a chord, subtends an angle to the center O. The angle, let's say A, subtended here. Then the same chord, let's say AB, also subtends an angle to any part of the circle. This angle B, we can say that A equals 2 of B. Likewise, we can use a different scenario for this. Let's say the chord AB subtends another angle to a point here. Then here is C. The angle C, A is equal to 2 times of C. So with the first rule says that any chord subtending an angle to the center and at the same time subtending an angle to any part of the circumference of the circle, that angle on the circumference is therefore the angle a chord subtends. So a chord is AB, subtends to the center O, is twice the angle the same chord AB subtends to any point on the circumference of the circle. So therefore A equals 2B and A equals 2C. Now let's solve one example. So given a question above, using the first rule to solve this. Anytime you are given a question on circle theorem, always try and implement all the rules you know, all the rules you can observe in the question in it, using imaginary lines, or you can choose to use a pencil or any object you have in your hands. So given the question, we can implement the rule 1 here by extending a chord from R to P. So this is the chord. Now the rule says that any the angle subtended to the center by a chord RP, the angle O here, or the point O, the angle in the point O, is twice the angle that same chord RP subtends to any point on the circle. So in this case, the point here is Q, 65. So therefore, we can draw a conclusion that the angle ROP is equal to 2 times the angle RQP. Angle ROP is equal to 2 times the angle RQP is 65 degrees. So we have 65 degrees. So then our final answer becomes 130 degrees for angle ROP. So the angle here, ROP, is 130 degrees. Now we are asked to find for the value of x. Find x. Find x. Now the total angle of a circle is 360. So we can therefore say that given this part is 130. So 360, therefore x is equal to 360 minus 130, which is equal to 230 degrees. So our final answer is 230 degrees. Now viewers, kindly subscribe and like and leave a comment below. In case you have any question, you can comment it below and we will attend to you quickly. Thanks for joining us on MathHelp. See you on our next video. Bye.